BRRRR. That's an acronym that many successful real estate investors follow. It stands for Buy, Renovate, Rent, Refinance, and Repeat. And it's a great way to build wealth. Not every home is picture perfect, and a savvy investor can look past those sagging cupboards and shag carpet to see potential in a home that needs some love. With careful analysis and the right team of professionals, a derelict home can be turned into a cash-flowing gem. If the home is not currently in a financeable condition, though, a renovation loan will be required. A renovation loan is a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage that combines funds to purchase the home plus funds to renovate it. The home closes as is before any work is started. You then have up to 6 months to complete the renovations, which must have a licensed contractor involved. Renovation loans can be used to purchase single-family rental properties with as little as 15% down, 3.5% down if you're going to live in the home as your primary residence. Funds can be used to make critical repairs, but also to make any improvements pretty much that you would like. Kitchen upgrades, bathroom upgrades, flooring, paint, roofing, energy efficiency improvements, solar, appliances, additions, even landscaping. So where do you start? First, by getting pre-approved for a renovation loan. Then get the help of an experienced real estate agent who can comp the home to determine what it'll be worth after the renovations are completed. And reach out if you need some names. I work with some great people. Next, get an estimate of the renovation costs. Once the costs are calculated, subtract them plus a little bit extra just to be safe from the estimated completed value, and you'll then know the maximum amount that you should bid on that home to ensure that you're in a strong equity position once all the dust is settled. Complicated? Well, maybe just a little bit, but with the right team of experienced experts to help you along the way, you'll be building wealth in no time. BRRRR. I hope this information is helpful. Just reach out if I can help. 206-915-3742 or email me eric@ericismybanker.com. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you've got updates like this on a regular basis. Just look for Eric is my banker and you'll find me. Have a great day.